Hello guys, welcome into the channel. Today we're going over Goldfish, Harry Potter's Butterbeer. And if you didn't know, this is the Gypsy and the Vanilla Gorilla's food reviews and taste test. Now let's eat! Alright, today we've got the Goldfish Harry Potter Butterbeer. It's butterscotch flavored. This is a limited edition. Packaging there. Reveal your spellbinding treat. All characters and elements are trademarked by Warner Brothers Entertainment. It looks like there's a Butterbeer barrel, the classic goldfish shape, and then, is that an owl?
It's the owl, I think.
The owl. It's definitely got a Harry Potter feel. Let me open this up just halfway. You can see the side. There's the nutritional information if you'd like to read it. And then on this side, this little like Harry Potter-esque design. The goldfish, the owl, some lightning bolts, a bee. Looks pretty cool. Alright, so this is the limited edition Goldfish Harry Potter Butterbeer. Butterscotch flavored goldfish. I like the way that they open. Really, ooh, I get butterscotch. As soon as they open that, I go, whiff of butterscotch.
Yeah.
This is what they look like inside. Kind of the graham cracker color of goldfish. I'll get one of each out and let you see what they look like. So butterscotch forward. Butterscotch forward for sure. The classic goldfish, that was the owl. And Butterbeer barrel. So that's the three shapes. Now let's check them out. Cheers. Butterscotch cookies. Little bite-sized nuggets of butterscotch cookies.
It's good. I like them.
Crispy, light, kind of like a butter cookie. Right?
And just kind of melts at the end.
Yeah, it doesn't melt in your mouth. Crunchy and light and crunchy, flaky, melts in your mouth. Wonderful butterscotch flavor. These are good. I like these.
They are very good.
If you like this review, hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel. And also go up and check out the iCard up here. Because Disco Bob, Entertainment and More, he did the Butterbeer. They were Hershey Kisses. He tried Butterbeer Hershey Kisses. So you'll have to go watch that. This is the Gypsy and the Vanilla Gorilla's food reviews and taste tests. That's a long title. These are short reviews. Keep finding the art and everything. See you guys next time.
Peace, y'all.